Imagine being able to monitor every inch of your farm, from soil moisture to the crop health, even without stepping into the field. Welcome to the future of farming, where sensors collect data and completely change how we grow our food. In smart farming, sensors play a critical role. They collect real-time and actionable data and transfer it to the farmer, which help farmer in decision making. The sensors are placed on the different location in the field and they collect data, transfer it to the central location where farmer can access it and monitor the crops remotely. Take a soil moisture for an example. This sensor can detect if a soil is dry and only generate an alert to the farmer if the water is needed. This technology benefits in two ways. First, it saves the water. It also prevents the over irrigation. Like this, there can be many other sensors for monitoring soil quality, environment condition, and even the health of your plants. With the help of this technology, farmer moves from reactive to proactive decision making, meaning making it easier to monitor the crop health and prevent the problems even before they arise, ultimately making production of your food easy and sustainable.